Hi, we are Ela
and Philip, and we are driving with two motorcycles from Colombia to Argentina. Morning, we are here at our new campground and welcome to another week. We are trying today to get to a lagoon which is called Parón, and maybe you can see it on the camera, I'm not sure, but the sun is going up there behind the mountain, and the mountain is covered in snow. So we got up early and we'll try to do a crazy climb of more than 2,000 meters with the motorcycle and walk a little bit up there. So join us.
So we're about to do a hike on 4,200 meters above sea level.
And for example, behind us is one glacier, and I would say that so far from me this is one of the most beautiful landscapes I've seen so far in my life, and we will show you why. We made it here to Laguna Parón, and we now need to decide which track to take.
So it's very hard to breathe here.
So we decided to not walk around the lake.
So Philip wanted to fly with the drone, and this one rolled down and
doesn't look real, right? It does look like a science fiction movie, but colors are actually this popping and this intense. So we decided to eat some lunch here, but after that we will go down again, because when the clouds are there it's very cold,
freezing,
and it's hard to breathe as well, as said before. We are just going down to get to the motorcycle, and before we went here we saw a story on the application called iOverlander that at one time 4 or 5 camper vans got stuck here at the lake, and this was because of a landslide. And I think we just encountered the landslide here, and now you know why they had problems to get back. I don't know how many weeks they were captured, but it must be intense. There's the landslide here, and there's a small river going down. We saw a strawberry field next to the road, and we decided to ask around, and yeah, turns out we are here on the field and picking our own strawberries with the locals.
Let's get away from here.
After eating in this restaurant, we kindly asked to camp in front of the restaurant, and they said it's no problem. So yeah, we got a free campground for the night. Ela just had lunch but decided to eat again, so just normal Ela things. And over here I need to address these strawberries because Ela has shown some allergies, so I need to eat 1.5 kilograms of strawberries myself. So to get used to the campground, we start by interacting with local animals. Ooh.
Maracuyá, lucma, fresa y maní. Chocomenta, maracuyá, maní, fresa y lucma.
¿Qué es esto?
Lucma.
Lucma.
¿Qué?
¿Es una
¿Es
fruta?
una fruta?
Sí, sí.
¿Dulce o?
Todo es dulce. So good morning, another wild camping night without any problems. We will now continue to climb up. We will drive up to 4,200 meters and then sleep on maybe 3.8. And yeah, Many people said it's very beautiful, so very excited what's coming next.
Places I've never been before. Let's get away from here. Come find me, find me.
Let's take this from the start. Let's leave this place behind. I can't feel myself without you. Without you. Without you. I can't feel myself without you.
So we made a quick stop here to eat for lunch, and we were able to find a pretty local dish.
Your heart, could you let me look at all of the parts if you're ready to let me inside? Your beautiful mind, could you open your heart? Could you let me look at all of the parts if you're ready to let me inside? Your beautiful mind.
So we found a nice spot to set up the tent, directly more or less at the main road, but since 3 hours there's no car passing by, and in the night you won't see the tent, and we will just do some cooking here and then go to bed when it's dark. And today we are opening a can which is still from Colombia, and I'm not too sure what it is, but we think it's lenses, but we'll see in a second what we have here. So it turns out it was the lenses with some potatoes and carrot. So yeah, we mix it up with the soup from yesterday and then we should have a nice dinner. So good morning, we are just about to leave. Yeah, the night was uncomfortable since the air mattress lost its air completely. We don't know if it's due to the coldness here or the density of the air, or if the air mattress has a hole, but I think it has a hole. But the important part is that the sleeping bags kept us warm, because I think feeling colder is worse than laying uncomfortable. It's also part of living while on a motorcycle. Sometimes it's very uncomfortable. Good morning from our beautiful campground. One quick thing. We always have dogs here, but this one is on another level. Hi, Sirius. Huge, this guy. Like the biggest dog I've ever seen in my life. Wow.
So Philip is always ending up dancing with some groups.
So Ayla was asked to make a dance. Now we got offered a new drink here. It's chicha fora. There's a lot of alcohol in it.
No hope at all. Please keep my heart on fire. Don't make this love retire. Wonder where you at. Overthinking my head. rushing.